Welcome, in this video I will show you how to turn off sticky keys on Windows 10. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then in Settings select Ease of Access, and here, on the left side of your window, search for Keyboard, then open it, and here you'll find the Use Sticky Keys option. Now, this feature is disabled by default. If you want to enable it, switch this toggle to the right, but if you want to stop the shift button from triggering sticky keys, you have to uncheck this checkbox next to allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys, and this will turn off the sticky keys on your Windows. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.